Good evening. Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar. We're Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Baltimore, Maryland. Sorry about no coin toss today. Forgot my coin actually. I'm set up here at the coin show, the Whitman Baltimore Coin Show in Baltimore, Maryland here. It's going to be going on for the next couple of days. If you live in the Baltimore area, I highly recommend you check it out because it's pretty cool, and I don't think there's any charge for admission whatsoever. Haven't seen too much silver on the floor, but it is one of the largest, it is the largest show in the Northeast next to the Fun Show, which is held in Florida twice a year, and I believe they hold Baltimore up here a couple times a year. A little quick fact that this show has been going on since 1972 when my father actually in Gordon Berg and Don Greenberg started this show originally started in 1972 in Atlanta, Maryland, and moved to the Baltimore Convention Center like in the 80s or something like that. And my father and those guys, or my father and Gordon Berg, eventually sold this show. You can hear it in the background. You can hear everyone talking. And we still attend it to this day. Unfortunately, my father wouldn't be able to make it this year, and I'm hoping he can make it next year. He's got some things going on. But no less, let's take a look at markets, and it looks like this is evening at home for me. It's like nice little change of temperature. It was 38 when I got here, a far cry from my normal 80-degree days. And of course, it looks like there's going to be a little surf out there when I'm gone. It's always a little surf when I'm not around. All right, let's move into markets here real quick. Going to be a super short show, folks. Sorry about this. Again, not a lot of content, and I've got a lot of stuff going on here. I don't do shows very often, but when I do shows, I sounded like the Dos Equis guy there. When I do shows. All right, let's take a look at the market right now. Looks like it was pretty much steady as she goes all day. 1933.84 currently, and look at that, the high and low, almost the same, like nothing. In fact, that is very odd, a 60-cent change between gold and silver. Look at silver as well, and platinum. Folks, this is the first time I've had a chance to look at metals all day. I've been on a plane most of the day, and I just got here in Baltimore to set this show up. But no less, that's surprising. That really kind of, very seldom do you see it move just in that very nothing range. Take a look at that. Oh my God, a 2-cent range. I got to refresh this just to make sure this is correct. And it is. All right, some strange stuff going on out there, folks. Can't explain it, but I'll try to look a little bit into it tonight and get my video out tomorrow morning a little more timely and try to explain what's going on with these really strange sideways prices. Meanwhile, let's just take a look at the 24-hour chart, and it's going to tell me exactly what kind of sideways all day long. Take a look at this 1925 range into the 1935 range, and just kind of sitting right there for the remainder of the day since this morning. And silver as well. Is this possibly the calm before the storm? It very well could be. And take a look at that. Again, very seldom do you see silver move in a range that tight all day long. So something's happening out there. I'm not quite sure what it is. Something's going on out there. Well, let's take a look at ZH. And again, not a lot to talk about it, so I'm going to probably quickly, let's just take a look here and see if there's anything that might explain why gold and silver is acting very weird today, working in those tight ranges. And I don't see too much, but I tell you what, I promise you I'll do a little research tonight or tomorrow morning before the next video here. And again, I do apologize for such a short video. Some of you are probably happy. A short one, oh my God, what a treat. If that's the case, I'm going to just go straight to yesterday's video, Crooked Comics Tuesday. And not too much on the crooked side today. Again, the market's just flat. Very, very strange. I didn't look at equities markets to see what they were doing. It's that up and down gyration of these markets that's just crazy. I mean, gold and silver start to make that move down, and all of a sudden silver moves back to the $25 range. Gold starts to move in that sub 1900 range and very quickly moves back up into the low 1900s. So we've definitely built a base. There's something definitely happening here, and I think we're going to see much higher prices coming up soon. Well, let me just answer a few questions here. And I think I had Chart Guy make mention on yesterday's video. Let me go to his again, like to thank everybody here for watching and commenting. I appreciate that. And yeah, Dragon Horde, steel prices are up 300%. Relax, silver will be up. You could have bought anything else and made money. Relax, patience will pay off in this case. Your silver is going to do extremely well. And I know some of you are getting tired of hearing that, but I've been in this business a lot longer than most of you have. I've been doing this full time since '77. and not full time, but I've been working for my father since '77, and I think doing it a long time. Oh, hold on. There's me talking in the background. Let me shut that video down. I did want to make. Here you go. Here's my chart guy. Hey, chart guy, my chart guy. From Chart Guy. This was just a mini flush out for gold and silver. From chart perspective, looks like completes the first leg of an ABC wave E. Each turning point is constructed of 3 minor waves. So if A, leg bottom is in place, we should rally back to 26. Wave B, then a shallow correct for wave C, completing wave E of a 20-month pattern. For some of you folks, this might be a little technical, and it is for me. I'm learning charts, and thanks, Chart Guy, you're teaching me as well. Again, we are mere days away from consolidation pattern terminating. This 20 months should have been used as a period of accumulation, buying at the bottom of the range during oversold RSI technicals. We will break out hard to the upside. Not sure what the trigger will be, but the breakout will coincide with some major news, of course. And $30 will be in your rearview mirror. We're going to 50 in the New York heartbeat, and then blue sky. Boy, a move up from this price to 50 would be pretty dramatic. I'd be a little nervous, but from your lips to the silver god's ears, 100 or bust, Chart Guy. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's not hard to get a little grumpy when you see these markets get monkey hammered like that. And again, lots of comments here, folks, and I'd like to thank every single one of you guys here for commenting. I can't really say too much right now because, again, I'm in the middle of the show and people are waiting for me here. But I wanted to make sure I get my daily video done. Never missed one in the last 2 years. Don't plan on it. Hey, well, that's it. This is Brian Kuzma with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Baltimore, Maryland, at the Inner Harbor area. Very cool place. And looking to do a little business. So if you're a listener and you're in the Baltimore area, I will be here for the next couple days. Come by and see me. And as I said, I advertise to be at MexJM and SD Bullion. Premiums are still stupid on this stuff, so you know, you can still expect $5 plus premiums even on generic items, except for 100-ounce bars where they're available, and those are still pretty expensive. But avoid Silver Eagles and try to buy the cheaper products. That's my recommendation. Hey, thanks for watching, folks, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Have a good day now. Bye.